Side effects of methotrexate in psoriasis. If you are struggling with psoriasis, you might have heard about methotrexate. Well, it's a very potent psoriasis calming medication that your doctor often prescribes to manage moderate to severe psoriasis. But are you too worried about the side effects? Do you also think about how safe it is in the long run? In today's video, I will discuss what could be its possible side effects and how you can manage side effects, and I will also discuss other alternative options to calm autoimmune conditions like psoriasis who cannot tolerate methotrexate. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can find a wealth of detailed scientific information on health and wellness, including healthy diets, nutrition, yoga, exercise and treatments for chronic diseases, all with a natural and holistic approach. Alright, so let's first understand what methotrexate is. It is a disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drug, DMARD. However, it was originally developed for cancer treatment, but it is widely used for autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and psoriasis. But how does it work for psoriasis? It works by slowing down the rapid turnover of skin cells in psoriasis, effectively reducing inflammation and scaling. The doctor usually prescribes methotrexate when topical treatments like creams, lotions, ointments, and phototherapy fail to control the symptoms. It is taken either orally in tablet form or as an injection. Since it's a potent steroid, the dosage is typically low and taken once a week to minimize side effects. Now, if you are taking it for the treatment of psoriasis, you may observe some symptoms that I will discuss in this video. Well, first of all, I'll begin with some general symptoms. You may experience gastrointestinal issues such as nausea, vomiting or diarrhea. Many patients report feeling tired after taking their weekly dose. You may have painful ulcers or sores inside the mouth. Mild hair thinning or hair loss can also occur in some individuals. These are some common symptoms of methotrexate which can be subsided once you stop taking it. Or your doctor may prescribe other supplements or medication along with it. Now, let's turn to the severe side effects that require immediate medical attention. Long-term use can cause liver toxicity and affect liver function. It can also lead to bone marrow suppression when the bone marrow is unable to produce sufficient white and red blood cells, increasing the risk of infection and anemia. Well, there are rare cases of methotrexate-induced pneumonia, but it is serious. You may have symptoms like cough, fever, shortness of breath. It can also be the cause of kidney damage, especially in people with pre-existing kidney disease. Now, if you think it has many side effects and you are considering any other alternate option for your psoriasis that has no side effects and goes well with your system, then you are on the right platform. Bharat Homeopathic medicines are natural, safe and effective and have very significant result in psoriasis patients. Bharat Homeopathic medicines are prescribed based on the constitution, considering their physical and psychological symptoms. They are given in small globules dipped in potentized alcohol-based medicines, meaning they carry the power of medicine that go deeply and act on the root cause of the disease. Don't worry, if you or your loved one is struggling with psoriasis and you are on heavy steroids and topical treatment, then we are here for you to offer holistic and natural treatment which gives everlasting relief from your psoriasis. We are a team of experienced doctors who carefully analyze the clinical history of patients and prescribe a personalized and customized Bharat Homeopathic treatment. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks.